Hey there, everybody. How many of you are feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders right now? The pressures of daily life can sometimes feel overwhelming, am I right? We've all been there, feeling stressed, anxious, just plain worn out. But what if I told you that finding peace, finding that calm center, could be easier than you think? It's true. You deserve to feel good, to feel balanced, and it all starts with taking a little time for yourself. You know, one of the simplest yet most powerful tools you have is your own breath. It's something we often take for granted, but it holds incredible power. When you breathe deeply, you are not just filling your lungs with air, you are inviting peace and tranquility into your life. Imagine standing on a cliffside, the wind gently caressing your face, and you take that deep, fulfilling breath. Or picture yourself in a serene forest, surrounded by the whispers of nature, and you breathe deeply, feeling connected to the world around you. That's right. Deep breathing can work wonders. It can calm your mind, reduce stress, and even improve your overall health. Think about it. In moments of anxiety or tension, a few deep breaths can bring you back to a state of calm. It's like having a reset button for your emotions. And the best part, you can do it anytime, anywhere. Whether you're sitting on a bench in a park, standing in an open field, or even in the comfort of your own home, deep breathing is always accessible. It's a tool you carry with you every moment of every day. Let's try it together right now. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes if you feel comfortable, and let's just breathe. Feel the ground beneath you, supporting you. Let go of any tension in your body. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling your stomach expand like a balloon. Imagine the fresh air filling every part of your being, bringing in new energy and life. Hold that breath for a count of 4. Feel the stillness, the pause that brings clarity and focus. Now exhale slowly through your mouth, feeling the tension melt away. Imagine all your worries and stress leaving your body with that breath. Repeat this a few times and feel the calmness washing over you. Each breath is a step towards inner peace, a moment of mindfulness. It's like hitting the reset button on your nervous system. With each deep breath, you are nurturing your body and mind, creating a space for relaxation and clarity. So whenever you feel overwhelmed, remember to breathe deep and let go. Now, let's talk about mindfulness. Mindfulness is a powerful tool that can transform the way you experience life. It's about being fully present, fully aware of where you are and what you're doing, without being overly reactive or overwhelmed by what's happening around you. Mindfulness is all about being present in this moment, not dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. It allows you to appreciate the here and now, to find joy in the simple things, and to connect more deeply with yourself and the world around you. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and just focus on your breath. Feel the air entering and leaving your body. Notice the rise and fall of your chest. This simple act of focusing on your breath can anchor you in the present moment. It's natural for thoughts to come and go. That's just the mind doing its thing. Your mind is like a river, constantly flowing with thoughts. Some are pleasant, some are not, but all are temporary. Don't judge your thoughts, just observe them without getting carried away. Imagine you're sitting by the riverbank, watching the thoughts float by. You don't need to jump in and get swept away by the current. Imagine your thoughts like clouds passing by in the sky. They come and go, changing shape and form, but they don't define the sky itself. The sky remains vast and open, just like your mind. You see them, you acknowledge them, but you don't let them control you. You have the power to choose which thoughts to engage with and which to let go. Bring your attention back to your breath, to the present moment. Each breath is a reminder that you are alive, that you are here, and that you have the ability to find peace within yourself. This practice can help you find peace amidst the chaos of everyday life. By cultivating mindfulness, you can navigate the ups and downs with greater ease and resilience, finding a sense of calm and clarity no matter what comes your way. You know, sometimes stress gets trapped in our bodies. It can sneak up on us, building up over time until we feel it in every muscle. We carry tension in our shoulders, our necks, our backs. It's like our bodies are holding on to the stress of the day, refusing to let go. That's where stretching or gentle yoga comes in. These activities help to release that built-up tension, allowing us to feel more relaxed and at ease. It's like giving your body a much-needed release. You can feel the stress melting away, replaced by a sense of calm and well-being. Even simple stretches can make a world of difference. Just a few minutes of stretching can help you feel more flexible and less tense. Reach your arms overhead, feeling a gentle stretch in your sides. This simple movement can help to open up your body and release tension. Roll your shoulders back and down, releasing that tension we often hold. It's a small action, but it can have a big impact on how you feel. And if you're up for it, try some gentle yoga poses. Yoga not only stretches your muscles, but also helps to calm your mind. Cat-cow, downward-facing dog, child's pose. These poses are great for stretching your back and relieving tension. These are all wonderful for calming the mind and body. Taking the time to stretch and unwind can make a big difference in your overall well-being. You know, sometimes the best way to relax is to tap into our creative side. And it doesn't matter if you don't consider yourself an artist. This is about finding joy in the process, not perfection. Journaling is a wonderful way to express your thoughts and emotions. Let it all out on paper, no judgment. Drawing or doodling can also be incredibly therapeutic. Let your hand flow freely across the page, creating whatever comes to mind. And if you love color, try coloring in a coloring book. It's like meditation for the mind. These are just a few simple techniques, but they can make a world of difference in your life. Remember, taking care of your mental and emotional well-being is just as important as taking care of your physical health. You deserve to feel good. You deserve to feel at peace. So, make time for yourself, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Practice these techniques, find what works best for you, and watch how your life transforms. You deserve moments of peace and tranquility in your life. Remember, self-care isn't selfish, it's absolutely essential. By incorporating these simple relaxation techniques into your daily routine, you're giving yourself the gift of a calmer, happier you. And trust me, everyone around you will benefit from it too. Don't forget to subscribe to Relaxation now for more tips to help you live a calmer, happier life. Thank you for watching. Stay relaxed and see you in the next video.